Welcome to Pisco USA. Whether this is your first time here or you're a returning viewer, we appreciate your support. Like and subscribe for more pneumatic solutions. Today's challenge? Handling golf balls. A round, dimpled surface that can be difficult to grip. Pisco's oval-type vacuum cups provide stable suction and secure handling, ensuring precise control. Perfect for sports equipment, packaging, and industrial automation. These vacuum cups deliver consistent performance across curved and textured surfaces. Filmed at our Pisco USA Vacuum Lab, we offer free product testing to ensure you get the right vacuum solution for your needs. Click the link to learn more. Another challenge solved with Pisco's innovative vacuum technology. Thanks for watching. See you in the next demo.